So guys, this is my initial impression of Reykjavik. In this video, I'm going to be taking you around different locations where I'm trying different food and drinks. This is my first day in Reykjavik, so everything is new. So stick around and let's go. So guys, there's no Uber here, so I'm grabbing my first taxi here. That's what it looked like here with just the taxi sign. Hello sir, how you doing? I'm going to a public house. Public house, the bar. Wow, I had to put my seatbelt on. So basically they have the taxi sign on top of the vehicle, and that's how you can recognize a taxi. And they also told me most people don't use cash here, so that's another thing. When you come to Iceland, you don't need cash necessarily. Most people have kind of moved away from it. Just like in the US, it's not necessarily a must. You can actually get away without using your cash, so you don't need to pull any money out. So keep that in mind. And I'm gonna try to use Apple Pay. I'm gonna use this Visa card that I have to pay for this taxi. So that's what it is. I'm going to this pub called Public House. I'm hungry. It was recommended to me by the hotel, so we'll see if it's So I took it was like 5 minutes taxi ride, and it cost me about $20. Iceland is expensive. So I'm here in this downtown area. This is what it looks like down here. And I'm looking for a restaurant called Public House. This is only a walking street, so he had to drop me off over there. So that's one thing about Iceland. Many times people travel, first thing they do, they're looking for cash. You don't need cash when you come here. You can get away with Apple Pay and get away with basically electronic transactions without actually, pulling cash out. You don't need to. So I found the Public House. Let's see if I can get in there, eat for less than $20. Is it possible? So guys, I got a table. Let me show you what it looks like. It's a very small, boutique spot. And this is basically the menu. They're doing like tapas style. You basically select some of these items here, and thank you. And then they bring small portions, and you can order about a little bit less than $15. It's not cheap, but could be much worse, right? And got some water here as I'm waiting for a cocktail. So this is Public House. So I'm waiting for my meals, and I'm gonna show you guys. So my attempt to eat less than $20, so far it's not looking so good. We'll see, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Again, if it's your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, press that like button, and put some comments below, and let's chat. Look at this, nice. So that's the Foxy Brown. Okay. Wow. Interesting. That was scary. Cheers to myself, folks. Cheers. So good. I just took a bite out of this. Guys, this is legit. Man, so good. So now I'm gonna attack this pork belly. Time to attack this thing. Let's see. So many flavors at the same time. It's so good. This explosion of flavors in my mouth just makes me crazy. I'm gonna have to order the same thing again. I wanted to try different things, but there's no way. This is way too good. So guys, I just finished my meal. I exited this place, the public house. So right now, as you can see, it's about 7 o'clock here in Reykjavik. And this is the spot. This is the spot. This video is mostly for people who've never been here, like myself today. And you want to come and enjoy yourself with a bunch of bars and pubs. This is the spot. This is the spot. All right, so I'm basically going now to another bar. I had the tour organized for this evening. Someone was gonna show me a bunch of different, pubs and stuff, but he canceled on me. Man, it sucks. Like literally an hour, before we're supposed to go, he canceled. Let me see. This is, unfortunate. But you have to adapt and overcome. So I'm still gonna have myself a good time until my friend George comes here tomorrow. And by the way, George is one of the producer of the show Last Call with Backpack Mo. If you haven't been or haven't seen the shows yet, I recommend you check it out. It's a great show. They had me as a guest judge not too long ago, and it was a great time. It was a great time. Lots of great cocktails. So I'm glad by the time he gets here tomorrow, I'll be able to show him what I already found. But this is a beautiful country, guys. Makes me want to move here. And they have shortened weeks too. Like I was talking to the waitress in there, and she was telling me about the shorter weeks. So they started this experiment, which basically consists of working 2 days a week, and then the following week you work 5 days. So you have 2 and 5, and you get paid the same. And it's going very well. It's going very well. Look at this sign. Massage. Who wants this kind of massages? Man, that's crazy. So I'm getting away from the main strip now and going down, because even though this host did cancel on me, he gave me a bunch of names that he recommended. So I'm gonna go check out a couple of those places and see what's up. So I'm gonna bring you along with me, guys. So let's go to the first spot. One of the places that the host recommended, it's actually a wine bar. So they have like a couple of beers, a couple local beers, but it's mostly wine. And it's a very small venue, as you can see. Very small venue here, but you know, it's a nice spot. So if you come in here for the first time, I thought the place was actually closed the way it looks from outside, but you basically come from behind, and you have like a little walkway that way. I will show you when I get out of here, and then that's what you got here, guys. It's a beautiful little boutique spot, and you get taken care of here. So I highly recommend Port 9. Remember, this is a spot you don't want to miss when you come here. Port 9 for some good beer, for some good wine out here in Reykjavik. So cheers. Port 9 was amazing, man. If you like wine and you find yourself here in Reykjavik, this is the place you want to go. They have like so many options. The service is impeccable, and I loved it. It was such a good place to drink. So in the meantime, let's go to the next spot. Guys, my third and final bar that day was located also downtown Reykjavik. I had some Viking beer. Great place. I'm going to put the name in the description below. And here you can have amazing drinks and also enjoy the live music. Then I went to the second level, and here you even have more space. This is also a cafeteria, and you have a much better view of the entire bar slash bookstore slash cafeteria. A great place to spend some time with your friends and just relax if you're here in Iceland. I got my eye cover. It's not a joke. This is what you have to do to go to sleep in Iceland. It's midnight, but it looks like it's 12 o'clock. So bring your eye covers if you come to Iceland during the spring or summertime. So thank you again for watching me today. If it's your first time, please subscribe, press that like button, and drop some comments below. All right, guys.